To pair your Tapo C225 with the iPhone, first you will need to connect your camera to the power source using the power cord that is included with this device. After that, give it a few moments until it boots up with the LED lamp flashing red and blue. If it doesn't, then you will need to again give it a few moments, and when the camera stops moving, flip the gimbal up and click on the reset button right here. Hold it for a few seconds and then let go. Wait again, and now it should look like this. After that, we can move to our iPhone device. And on our iPhone device, we need to download the Tapo app, open it, log in, and allow any permissions it will ask for. Click on the plus button and select Add Device. Then look for C225. And now choose a version that you own, and if you have a QR code on the bottom of your camera right here, that means you need to go for version 2. If you don't have it, then go for version 1. Now wait till it's connected with your iPhone. And connect your camera to 2.4G network, as 5G networks are not available.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
And here basically our setup is done. You can customize your camera with different settings. And then you should see it right here on the dashboard for the app.